Are you an active duty service member or veteran in Virginia who thinks you need to save thousands of dollars for a down payment just to buy a home? Many buyers miss out on incredible military benefits simply because they do not know how the VA loan program works. Today, I am explaining VA loan down payment rules so Virginia veterans can purchase a home with zero down payment. I am Duane Buziak Mortgage Maestro, your Virginia mortgage broker. The VA loan is one of the most powerful home financing tools available. Backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs, it allows eligible military buyers to purchase a primary residence with zero down payment. You'll also avoid paying monthly private mortgage insurance, which saves you hundreds of dollars every month compared to conventional loans. Qualifying depends on your certificate of eligibility, military service history, credit profile, and income stability. As your broker, we can even pull your certificate of eligibility electronically to simplify the entire process. You served our country and you deserve a home loan built to win. Comment home or comment loan below right now and let's get you qualified. Visit fetchmymortgage.com to explore home loan education and connect with me directly today.